This short video explains how to buy shares of CGN Power Co Ltd. CGN Power is a Chinese power generation company listed on HKEX under the ticker 1816. HK, and this is educational content, not financial advice. To buy HKEX shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker 1816 HK to locate the CGN Power listing. Find the matching result that shows CGN Power Co Ltd on HKEX. Open the asset page to view basic company information and the price chart. Double-check the listing shows 1816 HK on HKEX to confirm it's the correct stock. To invest, click Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will request you to add money before final confirmation. After the purchase, your position will appear on your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the video description for a link to eToro if you want to follow the same process.